Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Optimism Crypto. It's easy to get this done. Open up your browser. Now with your browser opened up and you're logged on to coinmarketcap.com, link in the description, simply scroll down and copy the contract address for the Optimism. Once you've done this, scroll down to the markets where the Optimism is being traded on. And once there, you'd find Binance, OKX, Coinbase, Uniswap, Bybit, KuCoin. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy on centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges alike. For the centralized exchanges, we're going to be working with Binance. For the decentralized, we're going to be working with the Uniswap. So to work with Binance, minimize and open up the Binance platform. Once you've opened up Binance, make sure you have an account on Binance. So if you do not have an account on Binance, all you need to do is use our link in the description of the video so you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So guys, with the verified account, how can you get yourself some Optimism tokens? Click on the deposit icon at the top left. Once you've selected the deposit icon, simply search for Optimism. Simply search for any cryptocurrency that is listed on Binance, as this cryptocurrency can easily be converted into Optimism tokens. So let's say you've got some USDT, some Arkham. Head to your wallet section at the bottom right. That's after depositing. Scroll from the overview to the spot or funding wallet, depending on where your crypto is. As you can see, I've got some USDT here. So click on the home section where we have convert. Click on the convert option, and by using the spot wallet drop down, select funding wallets, and in place of the AI token, click on USDT and simply search for Optimism. That's OP. Click on OP, click on the amount you wish to convert into Optimism, click on preview conversion and simply convert. By doing this, we've gotten ourselves some Optimism on Binance. Now, that is how you can get Optimism on a centralized exchange. For decentralized, minimize and make use of any wallet that supports the Uniswap exchange. That's the MetaMask wallet, Trust Wallet, and many other wallets. So for this video, we're going to be working with Trust Wallet. Open up your Trust Wallet, and with your Trust Wallet opened up, all you need to do to get yourself some Optimism is click on the Manage Crypto tab at the top right and simply search for That's Optimism. Enable the Optimism Ethereum, enable the Optimism network itself. Once you've done this, make sure you have some Ethereum in the Optimism network. You could simply search for that Ethereum by simply clicking on ETH, and the Ethereum on the Optimism network is what we're looking for. Make sure you have some of this Ethereum. If you do not, click on the buy option and simply buy with your credit card. So once you've gotten yourself some Optimism, either on the Ethereum main network or the Optimism Ethereum network, head to the browser icon at the bottom right. Once there, scroll till you find the Uniswap exchange. And once you've selected the Uniswap exchange, the icon at the top right corner of the screen, use this icon to connect your wallet. And once you've simply connected your wallet, all you need to do is click on the network icon at the top left and select the Optimism network. By doing this, you could easily convert some of your Ethereum, that's mainnet Ethereum, into the Optimism. That's the OP token here. Click on the OP, that's Optimism, and you could simply convert some of your Ethereum into the Optimism tokens. As you can see, you're going to get a good amount of the Optimism on the Optimism network when you simply click on the convert option that would be there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.